In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Google Docs. This simple yet effective process can greatly enhance the visual appeal and focus of your documents. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you want to open up your Google Docs. If you haven't done so already, navigate to your Google account and select the document you wish to edit. This is where we'll be adding or editing the images to give them a crisp and refined look. Images often help convey your message more powerfully than text alone, so refining them is key to creating impactful documents. Once you've opened your document, locate the photo you want to crop. Click to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue border surrounding the image. Selecting your image properly allows you to access various editing tools that are built into Google Docs, including the cropping feature. Next, look for the toolbar that appears at the top of the page whenever an image is selected. You'll see a small icon that resembles a pair of intersecting right angles. This is the crop image tool. Clicking this icon will activate cropping mode, allowing you to adjust the image according to your requirements. When in cropping mode, you'll notice thick black bars on the corners and sides of your image. You can click and drag these bars inward or outward to trim the photo to your desired dimensions. This feature is extremely useful if you want to focus on a particular part of the image or eliminate unwanted background details. Be sure to crop strategically, considering the composition and clarity of your image. After cropping each side of the image to your preference, it's time to finalize your selection. To do this, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This action locks in the crop and updates the image within your document seamlessly. It's like making your vision tangible with just a quick press, and there you have it. Your image is cropped and ready to go. You've successfully enhanced the document's visual appeal with just a few simple steps. This quick and efficient process ensures that your images contribute to the overall impact of your document without distracting from your message. Whether you're preparing a presentation, report, or any other type of document, mastering this skill will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency and the professionalism of your work. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing!